Hey everyone, this is my new camp, so I figured I'd let you take a look around. This was a sunrise this morning, and it's a beautiful day. Figured I needed to update you. I haven't shot out a video in a while here, so here we go. Well, I made it here to Skooliepalooza. Apologize I haven't sent out a video sooner here, but Sophie girl got sick, and I've been worried about her. She's had like cold symptoms, and it turned out it was valley fever. So took her in yesterday. She's on medication to help her rest easier and to get over it. Should probably be on it for about 6 to 12 months, but she's on the mend and doing better. You can see quite a few rigs here, and quite a few people. I'm kind of staying off on my own just because I've got to take care of the big dog, but I've got a bunch of friends here, and I was able to visit with them a little bit last night, and gonna go watch a movie with them tonight on an LCD projector someone's got, and they got set up on the side of a trailer, and that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, I'll be doing some more videos from here. I'm working on some editing right now. I'll do some information on valley fever, which Sophie's got, so you can get a little information on that. I'm still doing some research on it. But if you got a furry friend and they get sick and you're out in the desert, get them into a vet. Get them checked out. You never know. It's a dangerous disease. So, but can't say enough about Lang Veterinary Hospital up in Lake Havasu for taking care of my my buddy there. They've done a great job and kept me well informed, and even in this week, did a good job. So props to them. And I'd also like to shout out to Saznak, his channel. Saznak, it's Kansas spelled backwards, and his interview he did with me. I appreciate. Go over and check out his channel. It's Saznak, S-A-S-N-A-K. All right. Thanks to all my subscribers, old and new. You have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.